Okay, so I just read about this incredible library called libpostal, and it's all about parsing addresses worldwide with NLP. How cool is that?
That's fascinating. So it's like a smart assistant for understanding addresses, right? But how exactly does it work?
Exactly. It uses statistical NLP to normalize and parse street addresses. Think of it as a translator for messy address data.
Wait, messy addresses? Like the way we abbreviate things? This reminds me of trying to decipher handwritten notes.
Totally. Address formats vary so much. Even something simple like 123 Mainsty can be written in countless ways.
Oh, wow. So libpostal is designed to recognize all those variations and turn them into a clean, standardized format.
Yes, it uses a massive dataset of over 1 billion addresses to learn from all around the world. That's just wild.
That's impressive. And when we say it can handle addresses in 60-plus languages, does that mean it also understands local dialects or slang?
Exactly. It recognizes local conventions and differences, making it super adaptable. It's like having a local expert in every country.
So, does it help with things like delivery services where you need the precise address to avoid confusion?
For sure. Delivery apps can use this to ensure they're working with accurately formatted addresses, saving time and reducing errors.
I love that. It's like an upgrade for geocoding, making everything smoother. But how does it handle all the different writing systems?
Great question. libpostal can tokenize languages that aren't separated by spaces like Chinese or Thai using amazing algorithms.
That's brilliant. It's essential for parsing correctly, but it must be tricky to set up language classifiers?
Absolutely. They use sophisticated methods to distinguish which language is being used, which helps in normalizing addresses correctly.
It's kind of mind-blowing to think about all the address variants in just one city, let alone globally.
Right? And think about the abbreviations. Floor could mean floor, av for avenue, or who knows what else.
And it must be a nightmare for traditional databases that don't account for these variations.
Yes, traditional methods can struggle with that, but libpostal turns it into a streamlined process. So cool.
Does it just normalize addresses, or can it do more, like address disambiguation or deduplication?
Great point. It does address deduplication too, so if you have multiple entries of the same location, it sorts them out.
Saves so much time. It's like having a behind-the-scenes team working 24/7 to clean things up.
For sure, and it's all open source, so anyone can contribute to making it even better. That community aspect is so cool.
Oh man, imagine if companies were more open about their data models like this.
Exactly. It would spur so much innovation. It's all about collaboration and improving the resources together.
You know, the thought of all these behind-the-scenes processes really reshapes how we think of simple addresses.
It really does. Addresses are more than just words. They're complex data points influencing delivery, navigation, and more.
So beyond just tech companies, think how crucial this is for urban planning and services. It's vital.
Absolutely. Better address understanding can improve everything from crisis response to real estate decisions.
This is blowing my mind. I never thought of addresses as such a powerful tool for data improvement.
Right? And the level of technology involved makes me think about the future of location-based services.
I can only imagine where this will lead. Automated routing, smarter logistics, it's all interconnected.
So true. It's kind of like a foundation. Once you have that base knowledge in place, you can build smarter systems on top.
Absolutely. And with more updates from sources like OpenStreetMap, it'll only get smarter and more intuitive.
Yes. Plus, as new abbreviations and address formats pop up, it's like libpostal's got the ability to adapt.
The ability to evolve is essential for any tech, especially with something as variable as addresses.
Exactly. So what's the takeaway for us? Maybe to appreciate the tech behind something we often take for granted.
For sure. And I'm definitely appreciating the thought that goes into structuring our everyday data.
A little perspective goes a long way. Address systems are like a mirror reflecting how we process information globally.
Wow, I love that analogy. It connects so many dots, from tech to culture.
And here's my final thought. Imagine where else we can apply this level of nuance in data processing.
Absolutely, it makes you think. What else is out there waiting to be understood at this level of detail?